Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video, I am going to do review of one of the eyeshadow palette from K Beauty that I have just got recently in a PR. So without further ado, let's just start this video. So first I just did my CTM routine of my skin and now it's time for the base. For base makeup, I choose Maybelline Matte Foundation and I am just applying this foundation in a dabbing motion using my damp sponge, as you can see, and I apply the foundation a little bit on my neck also, because on my neck also, just to match my face color with the neck also. So now it's time for the concealer. For concealer, I am using Sugar Cosmetics concealer in shade 30 and I am applying this concealer little bit on my upper eyelid area like so and blending it again with my damp sponge. All the product details have been mentioned in the description box below in case you want to check out. So now to set my concealer, I am using Sugar Cosmetics loose banana powder and I am just applying this powder with the puff that comes up with the powder case a little bit on my upper eyelid area and also on my under eye area like so, just to set my concealer and at the same time taking my face using that same powder. So I'm again blending that banana powder with my damp sponge on my upper eyelid area. Now it's time for the K Beauty eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I am unboxing my K Beauty eyeshadow palette PR box that have two eyeshadow palette. And the first eyeshadow palette that I am showing is Bare Soul. It is a beautiful smoky nude kind of palette that I really like. The next palette that I received is Pure Blue. I really like the packaging of both of these palettes. They both comes up in a sturdy cardboard packaging and I really like the artwork that has been specially done for K Beauty by Gauravi Sharma, and this is how the Pure Bloom palette looks like. It has some goldens, it has some burgundy, it has some brown. This is actually a very versatile palette that will look good across all skin tones and I really like this palette. So today I am going to use this palette Pure Bloom for my eye makeup look and it is just a beginner look, so I hope you are going to enjoy it. So first I took a light brown eyeshadow and I have just applying it on my transition area with a big blending brush like you can see. Next I took a dark brown shade with a pencil brush and I'm applying it on my outer V corner in a circular motion like so, and a little bit on my crease line area also, just to create the depth. Now I am blending that dark brown eyeshadow with a light brown eyeshadow on the crease line area using a precise blending brush, as you can see, so that there is no harsh line on my eyelid area, and I'm blending my entire crease line area with a little bit on my outer V corner brown also. Now I'm moving back to my transition shade once again and I'm blending everything on the transition area again, just to avoid any harsh line. Moving back to that dark brown eyeshadow and I'm using the same pencil brush and I am applying that dark brown eyeshadow on the outer V corner of my eyes like you can see, just to create little bit a darker version on my outer V corner. And again I am blending everything. So now it's time for the middle lid area of my upper eyelid area. So I took the golden shade that is present in the palette and I'm applying it with a flat eyeshadow brush like so, and I will keep adding the golden shade as long as I don't get the desired color on my lid area. Now I am just dusting off all the excess powder from my face with a big powder brush. Now it's time for the kajal and I am using Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in black. Now moving back to that same dark eyeshadow and I'm applying it little bit on my lower lash line area with a small pencil brush, and now I'm applying the same golden eyeshadow on my tear duct area also and blending it with the brown eyeshadow. Now it's time for the eyeliner. For eyeliner today I am using Nykaa eyeliner and I really like this liner. So I am just drawing my eyeliner little broad. Now it's time for the eyebrows. For eyebrows today I use Sigma Beauty brow powder in shade dark and I'm using my Sigma brow brush. I'm just shaping my eyebrow. So now it's time for the contour, highlight and blush, for which I took Sugar Cosmetics face palette and I am just started doing the contour first like so. with a small oval face brush, followed by I am using the blush from the same palette using my Color Bar blush brush, and I'm blending everything with that same brush, contouring my nose. And now it's time for the highlighter. For highlighter, I have used the same palette once again, and using my highlighter brush, I am just applying the highlighter on the high points of my face like so. Now I'm applying a little bit highlighter on my brow bone area and a little bit again on my tear duct area, because I think that tear duct area need a little bit of popping of highlighter. Now it's time for the mascara. For mascara today I am using Nykaa mascara. It is a new launch from Nykaa, and I really like this curly mascara because it just uplift my lashes like so. Now it's time for the lip. For lips today I am using Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in shade Icon, and I am just drawing the lines and filling the lips with the same lip color. Overall, I really like this eyeshadow palette, and I totally love to recommend this eyeshadow palette. I have tried out so many palettes from Maybelline, L'Oreal, but till now this is one of the best palette that I have ever used from drugstore brand that are available in India. So I highly recommend you all to try out this K Beauty eyeshadow palette. This palette is very versatile and it will work on any skin tone. So my entire makeup is done, and now it's time for some lashes, and yes, finally I am done. So this is my entire look. Now fixing my makeup with MAC Fix Plus, and this is my final look. It is a very easy beginner's eye makeup look that you can try out using this palette. Otherwise, you can also create number of look using this eyeshadow palette. All the shades are very pigmented. The textures are very soft and they are very easily blendable on eyelid. I really like this palette, and definitely I would love to recommend this palette. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. And in case you want to buy this palette, then do check out my description box. The link of this palette has been provided down in the description box below. And I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.